Out of all of the women, I done chose you. The thought of you, I wake up and I doze too. You're the only one that I tell what I go through. So if my wrist froze, then your wrist gon' be froze too. No makeup, you're a natural. See, my money is infinite and that number is actual. Extremely fashionable, plus you keep it rational. If I lose everything, then I hope that you the last to go. They say true love is dead, and all the good men gone. See, me and you, we live and prove that they could have been wrong. I'm a lights out king, but what's a king without a queen? One day you gon' look down and your finger will be a ring. Real talk.
You look so good, you don't need no makeup. What's the first thing on my mind when I wake up? You. You look so good, you don't need no makeup. What's the first thing on my mind when I wake up? You, baby, you.
Now it's no secret, I got a selection. Know that. You call me daily, I call you perfection. The way I feel about you, girl, there is no flexing. And to have you in my world, that is a blessing. It's kinda funny how we started off on Facebook. Right. You had me in my feelings like a Drake hook. With no makeup, that's your best look. And you by my side, that's the best look. You down to ride, you keep my head up. So when it's bread up, you can kick your legs up. Like Future said, I'ma make them hate us. I'ma tell the world about you, make them jealous.
You look so good.